Hey guys, this is Isaac from Krietz Customs, and today we just added another 2019 Ram 1500 Classic to our gallery. We're gonna go over the lift and all the things that we did to it. So let's go ahead and check it out. So what we decided to do with this one is add a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit to add this wheel and tire package. With this lift kit, it's gonna raise the front 6 inches and raise the back 4 with a 4-inch block. The tire is gonna be a 35 1250 R22 NATO Roach Grappler, which is a hybrid tire. The hybrid tire is an all-terrain mixed with a mud-terrain tire, so you're going to get a nice aggressive look with the aggressive tread pattern and also the knobs on the outside. But it's also to give you the performance of a all-terrain tire, so you're going to get a nice wear life and good traction on the road. The wear life on this one can last between 45 and 65,000 miles with the proper tire rotations. The wheel on this one is going to be a 22x12 Fuel Hardline, which is a mix between a concave and a deep dish look. The spokes are going to go back into the wheel a little bit, but it's also going to have about a 4-inch lip on it as well. The finish is a gloss black and milled, with the millings being on the rivets out here and on the grooves on the inside of the wheel, or on the spokes, and also in between each of the spokes as well. So if you guys have any questions about a vehicle like this, if you want to get yours built like this, you go ahead and send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs, or give us a call at 301-694-4642, and Marissa will be happy to help you.